Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to look at BYTE Blockchain. This project was launched on April 2nd, and they are already discussing about the exchanges that will list their token. If you have not started mining BYTE, I don't know what you are waiting for. This is a brand new project. Link in the video description. I'm currently buying and selling USDT, Ton, Solana, plus all gas fee. If you want to do any business with me, reach me on my WhatsApp. I'm the admin there and I will respond immediately. So today, April 19, look at the latest updates. If you look at this little video here, you can see some exchanges. BYTE is already in discussion with some centralized exchanges for potential pre-listing of BYTE. They are already talking about the pre-listing. Airdrop that will pay doesn't need to stress you. Airdrop that will give you dollars, don't stress. If you have not started, you are wasting time. Join, link in the video description. Look at what they said. We are currently in discussions with two centralized exchanges for a potential pre-listing of BYTE. The next few weeks will be truly life-changing for BYTE blockchain miners. Can you guess which exchange will be the first to list BYTE? Drop your prediction in the comment section. So the exchanges we have here is Binance, MERS, OKX, Bybit, Coinbase, and Bitget. So all these things are the exchanges here. For my own prediction, I think Bybit and Binance will be the first to list BYTE. Tell me your own prediction in the comment section. So what you have to do is to start mining immediately. Make sure that you follow them on their Twitter handle and on X. Follow them. And right here, once you mine every 8 hours, after every 8 hours, come back here. This claim option will be red in color. Claim it and you tap on start mining. You tap on mining is to start mining for you. If you look at this session where we have the this session where we have the invite, that's where you can copy your referral link and share with your friend to start mining immediately. So over here you can equally swap your BYTE token. So one byte token is equivalent to 0.78 USDT. You can actually swap, but I don't encourage anyone to swap. Keep on mining, accumulate bytes, and once it is listed, you will know the value of your token. Do not be in a haste to swap any coin. You might swap and not be able to convert it to your USD or send it out immediately. So keep on mining. If you click on this little arrow here, what you have here is your rank. This is where you see your rank and how the progress is going. Also, I would like us to look at the white paper. Look at these 3 dots here, 3 lines. You will now see their white paper is still far, but they are already. So this is their white paper. The listing and TG is Q2, which is 2026, but they are already talking about pre-listing. So if you zoom this picture very well, you can see the mainnet phase 3. The mainnet will begin depending on the maturity of testnet network ecosystem and the progress of the BYTE blockchain. The launch of BYTE blockchain mainnet probably will happen Q2, which is 2026. We still have a long way to go, but they are already talking about the pre-listing, which they say they will give us the exchanges in few weeks' time. So start mining and accumulate points as we hope for the best in this project. So if you find this video helpful, please do well to like, share, and subscribe, and also turn on the bell notification for more updates. Thank you guys, and see you guys in my next video.